Hi, Tammy here. I'm going to take you through the 2025 Surveyor 19MDBLE. This is a double over double family model weighing in right around that 4,300 pounds. So this is an all new floor plan for the Surveyor Legend this year. We're super excited to have it in because it does pack a lot of punch for its size. So as you can see, fiberglass exterior, front storage compartment here, and it is lit up with a motion sensor light, and there's actually a USB port inside there. Nice full awning with LED lights, so of course that's your power awning. They do the automotive glass black door, looks sharp. I think it just adds to the look of the exterior. The underbelly is heated and enclosed with forced heat as well as radiant foil insulation. One-piece roof membrane as well on your Surveyor Legends. This guy is a single axle, but they do have the 15-inch tires. This little guy doesn't have per se a full outside kitchen, but it does come with the capital flat top grill. So just slides on this bracket here with your gas connection below. There's an outside shower here as well. They've got a couple outlets, TV satellite connection, and some storage under the back bunk here. We are equipped with the spare tire on your back bumper. We are backup camera prepped and Lippert ladder prepped, so you can choose to purchase those items aftermarket if you would like to have them. It is also pre-equipped with the 2-inch receiver hitch, which is meant for a bike rack or cargo rack, not to be used for towing. So we are inside the Surveyor Legend 19MDBLE. And it is a Murphy bed. So what I love about the Murphy bed is it gives you that extra seating space in a smaller coach. So you have your sofa. I'm going to kind of demonstrate here how the Murphy bed works. So jackknife sofa just lifts up and flips down. And then you release the little latch here. And it is actually a 60 by 80 residential queen size. So regular queen size bed. And super easy to put back up again. And back to your sofa. Couple cup holders on each side of the sofa here as well. USB ports and 110 plugins. Over into the slide. So this is just a single slide, but you do have your booth dinette, which of course pops down to a bed again. So this coach potentially can sleep up to 8 people if need be. Nice storage on each side under each bench. Room to put totes or whatever you might want to do under there. Into the kitchen, you do have your one-piece farm sink. They've included this handy dandy little cutting board that fits right inside. The sink also just adds a little bit to your counter space. They do the roller shades. 2-burner cooktop. So there's no oven in this unit, but I know lots of times that just becomes storage. So, and down below you do have your microwave, which is also a convection oven, so that you can cook your pizza, whatever you need to, in there as a convection. And it is also equipped with the central vac. How neat is that? And 2 drawers below, and then your cabinets up top. 10 cubic foot 12 volt refrigerator, and this coach is actually equipped with 400 watts of solar, so that'll keep your fridge going nice. And a flat screen TV here on the wall. So at the back here, it is double over double. Again, I love the double over double. Don't see them too often in a trailer this size, but lots of space. The headroom on each bunk is just awesome as well. And it does come with a ladder for the littles to get up on the top bunk. And into the spacious washroom, we have your vanity sink and medicine cabinet, porcelain foot flush toilet, and then your kind of rectangular residential style shower. I love the tub surround there that it's got the built-in shelves for your personal items. So lots of space in this washroom. Thanks for joining me on this tour of the all-new 2025 Surveyor Legend 19MDBLE. Great family model. Perfect to get you out and explore on those adventures. So if you have any questions, give us a shout. Minard's Leisure World, Weyburn and Watrous, Saskatchewan.